ZiGBee is gaining popularity every single day, and the reason behind it is Internet of Things, in which things are connected with Internet. In IoT, things are embedded with sensors which detects any change nearby itself and transmit that change in the form of information over the Internet for further analysis. The hardware which is used to gather information from the sensor to the internet is called gateway. Although we have many type of gateway, for example GSM module, RFID, LTE, Z-Wave, Bluetooth, etc. But ZigBee is very important out of all. Why this is important? In today episode we are going to discuss. Hi guys, this is Dr. Anzar Ahmad. What is ZigBee? ZigBee is a wireless and control technology developed as an open global standard to address the demand of low cost, low power wireless IoT network. So this is a wireless technology, and control means it controls many appliances or things in IoT. That's why this is called control technology. ZigBee and IoT network. This is a network made up of ZigBee. In this network, you can see that many appliances are connected with the help of ZigBee, in which ZigBee playing different role. It may act as a coordinator which is capable to coordinate rest of the nodes, and sometimes it acts as a router by which the information flow maybe takes place. And ZigBee also used as the AND devices, that is, it takes the information from the devices which are sensor enabled and give to the nearby ZigBee device. Then with the help of ZigBee router it transfer to the coordinator, and further coordinator collecting all information from all sensors or all things or devices, it transmits that information to the nearby base station. The ZigBee standard operates on the IEEE 802.15.4 physical radio specification. So ZigBee belongs to the IEEE 802.154, which tells about the low power. It is operated in unlicensed band including 2.4 GHz, 900 MHz and 868 MHz. This is IEEE 802.154 standard, which is very clearly mentioned for IoT development. ZigBee protocol. The ZigBee specification is a packet-based radio protocol planned for low-cost battery-operated devices. The protocol allows devices to communicate in a variety of network topologies and can have battery life lasting several years. So this is the major advantages that ZigBee provide, the more battery life as compared to other devices. We have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then what is the need of ZigBee? This is quite interesting questions. So despite of having Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, what is the need of ZigBee? Somewhere the answer lies in the need of ZigBee. The ZigBee is a low power, low cost control technology, or we can say that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth uses more power for its transmission. That's why we use ZigBee, which is low power, low cost control technology. The ZigBee 3.0 protocol is designed to communicate data through noisy RF environment that are common in commercial and digital application. So we can observe that in industry and in commercial things, there are a lot of noise around, In that case, if we are using other module as a gateway, then we can face the noise in communication. But ZiGBEE does not provide or reduce that RF noise level. ZiGBee 3.0 unifies the market-specific applications profiles to allow all devices to be wirelessly connected in the same network, irrespective of their market designation and function. The other very important need of ZiGBee is it combines or it makes the market-specific application profiles to all devices to be wirelessly connected in the same network. This is the major advantage of using ZiGBee. ZiGBee 3.0 certification scheme ensures the interoperability of product from different manufacturers, because most of the devices face this problem which lack in operability, but ZiGBee provides that interoperability to all devices. Connecting ZiGBee 3.0 network to the IP domain opens up monitoring and control from devices such as smartphone and tablets on a LAN or WAN, including the internet. So as we know that ZiGBee is known as the wireless control technology. This is because that all devices connected with the IP, they can be controlled from smartphone or tablets or LAN WAN technology. In fact, ZiGBee brings the true Internet of Things to end. So this is a ZiGBee network. In this one, we can see that is air condition or the microwave or the fan or the doors, windows, TVs. They are all controlled by the ZiGBee network. And the beauty of ZiGBee is to use low power as compared to other devices. So ZiGBee features includes support for multiple network topologies such as point-to-point, point-to-multipoint, and mesh network. This is a very useful feature of ZiGBee, that it combines all point-to-point, point-to-multipoint, and mesh networks. Low duty cycle, due to which long battery life, low latency, that is, it provides less latency as compared to other things. It uses direct sequence spread spectrum, which is more secure as compared to other spread spectrum technology. And very important feature of using ZiGBee is it that 65,000 nodes can be connected with ZiGBee, while in case of Bluetooth only 8 devices can be connected. So a large network can be set up by a single ZiGBee. 128-bit AES encryption for secure data connection, collision avoidance, retries, and acknowledgement. So these all provide the feature of ZiGBee. ZiGBee has various applications in IoT these days. The first example of ZiGBee is in home automation, in which appliances or things are connected with the internet. Things are sensor enabled. These sensors collect the information from its surroundings like temperature, humidity, smokes, gas, light, etc., and pass that information to the internet via ZiGBee. The other application of ZiGBee is in healthcare system, in which a wearable device is given to the patients, which is also different sensors enabled like temperature, pressure, sugar, etc. These sensors get the information from the patients and pass to the doctor via ZiGBee. The next application of ZiGBee is in industry, in which the machines which are sensor enabled, the sensors get the behavior of the machine, and after noting that information, it passes to the expert for further instructions or analysis. So we can see that ZiGBee has endless applications So guys, it was all about the ZiGBEE. Hope you enjoyed the lecture and got it very well. If you want to know anything else, please comment in the comment box.